So on this project, the client called us because the floor in this corner was down about 2 inches. This is the kitchen. So what we had to do is we had to come in and rip the entire floor up, take the subfloor out to get to the floor underneath. And what we realized was there was a ton of water coming in from this corner. So it caused for a moist environment in this room, which then rotted the floor joists and everything fell. So we're putting in all new floor joists now, new subfloor, and getting this kitchen back to the way it should be.
We are preparing to sister the joists in on the old structure. We're leveling the new joists because the house has gone way out of level over the years. And we'll try to get it level this way, front to back. And then we're going to work our way across side to side. And we should have everything level by the time we're done.
Well, we took these 4 joists out here, replaced them with pressure treated because there's water coming in through the wall over here. Pressure treated is resistant to rot. We sistered all the joists over here to the existing ones so there'd be better and more structural integrity for it. And now we're going to put blocking in between it to make it all stable.
What we got going on here, as you can see, it's pretty moist and damp, and that's a result of the water taking the path of least resistance, flowing downhill on top of the rock, and the water contains moisture, which is going to rise up and rot out these beams. And because it rots out the beams, we're underneath the bathroom here, and their bathtub is sinking a little bit. So what we're going to do to fix it is we're going to put our patented SmartJack system with an I-beam and raise it back up, and we're going to add structural integrity back to the home.